Welcome back to Wizard, where innovation meets imagination. Today we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology and futuristic gadgets that are reshaping how we live, work, and play. From AI personal trainers to underwater drones. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. Web 12 Functional Thread Shooter. Are you ready to swing into action like Spider-Man himself? Say goodbye to fake wrist flicking and hello to the real deal with the Web 12 Functional Thread Shooter. Made by Hero Tech, this DIY web shooter uses powerful neodymium magnets and a nylon-like string to shoot actual spider webs. Whether you're cosplaying or unleashing your inner superhero, this web shooter is a must-have for any Spider-Man fan. Get yours on Etsy for around $150 and start slinging webs like a pro. Prosthetic Doc Oct Suit. Have you ever dreamt of having your very own set of Doctor Octopus arms? Thanks to the ingenuity of self-made teen millionaire Eric Finman, that dream is now a reality. Using 3D printing technology and a set of motors, Finman created working prosthetic Doctor Octopus limbs for an 11-year-old boy with special needs. While you can wait to buy your own, Finman plans to produce more suits, so watch for this incredible piece of superhero tech. Quantum Stealth Invisibility Cloak. Imagine disappearing into thin air like Harry Potter with his invisibility cloak. Thanks to Canadian company HyperStealth Biotechnology, that fantasy is now a reality. Their quantum stealth camouflage material can make soldiers, tanks, aircraft, and ships seem invisible by bending light. While it's currently used for military purposes, having your invisibility cloak is extraordinary. Who knows what adventures you could embark on with this incredible technology? BMW Electrified Wingsuit. What if we told you that all you needed to soar through the skies like Iron Man was a BMW? That's right. The BMW Electrified Wingsuit brings that fantasy to life with its robust concept design. Soar through the sky at 186 miles per hour without restrictions thanks to BMW technology and a chest-mounted rig for power. With carbon impellers and thrust for up to 5 minutes, this wingsuit is as close as it gets to flying like a superhero. Just remember to grab yours in red for that Iron Man vibe. Karatas Human Ride Robot. Ever wanted to feel like Optimus Prime? Well, now's your chance with Karatas Human Ride Robot. This massive 12-foot-tall robot, made by Suitobashi Heavy Industries, lets you control all its movements from the inside. This robot is a real-life superhero ride, armed to the teeth and capable of speeds up to 6 miles per hour. While it may not transform into a car, it's still a force to be reckoned with. Plus, you can order one ready-made on Amazon Japan for quick delivery. X-Jet's Jet Blades. Channel your inner Green Goblin with X-Jet's Jet Blades. These jet-powered water boots let you fly above any body of water for as long as you like. Using a fire hose attached to a pair of boots, the jet blades harness hydropower for a thrilling flying experience. Whether you're a hero or a villain, these jet blades will take your adventures to new heights. And with up to 15 miles per hour, you'll be soaring through the air in no time. Gotham Golf Cart. Every superhero needs a set of wheels, and the Gotham Golf Cart is as real as it gets. Cruise in style with this Batmobile-inspired ride, perfect for a day on the golf course. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of the Batmobile, it'll still turn heads and protect you from stray shots. Priced at $28,500, it's a small price for a taste of the superhero life. Open Bionics X Konami Venom Hero Arm. The Open Bionics X Konami Venom Hero Arm is a real-life superhero invention that changes lives one arm at a time. Providing mobility for below-elbow amputees, this bionic arm is based on the character Venom Snake from Metal Gear Solid 5. Custom manufactured using 3D printing and scanning, Each hero's arm is a work of art. Whether you're a child or an adult, this arm is a life-changing wearable made by real superheroes. Nope, smart padlock. Gone are the days of fumbling with keys or remembering combinations with the Nope Smart Padlock. This sleek and modern lock is controlled via smartphone through a Bluetooth 4.0 connection, offering convenience and security in one package. With automatic search functionality, the lock seamlessly connects to your smartphone and unlocks when you're nearby. Plus, in case of a dead smartphone battery or misplaced phone, the Nope Padlock can be unlocked with a preset code, ensuring you always have access when needed. Priced at $80, it's a small investment for people. Miniature Safe Wallet. Keep your valuables secure with the Miniature Safe Wallet, a compact and reliable solution for safeguarding your essentials. This wallet offers peace of mind against theft and demagnetization, featuring a 3-digit code lock and RFID protection. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's designed to withstand daily wear and tear while organizing your cards, cash, and small items. With 7 compartments, it's perfect for storing up to 12 cards, 50 bills, or other small objects. Priced at $80, it's a small price for security. AirBar. Turn any notebook into a touchscreen with AirBar, a revolutionary accessory that adds functionality to your device. Simply connect AirBar to the bottom of your screen via USB to instantly transform your display into a touchscreen. With an invisible light field, AirBar recognizes your gestures and sends them to the computer as commands, allowing you to navigate, zoom, and interact easily. Available in 3 sizes, AirBar starts at $99. Offering a versatile solution for touchscreen enthusiasts. Odin Aurora Projectable Mouse. Experience the future of computing with the Odin Aurora Projectable Mouse, the world's first projectable mouse. Resembling the head of a transformer robot, this compact device projects a holographic touchpad onto any flat surface, allowing for intuitive interaction. With gesture recognition and customizable settings, it offers a seamless user experience for work or play. Priced at $49, it's a futuristic accessory that will turn heads. Orbit Wheels. Get around in style with Orbit Wheels, the innovative transportation solution for urban commuters. Featuring 2 polyurethane wheels and a shock-resistant body, these sleek wheels offer a smooth and comfortable ride. With removable foot platforms and a soft rubber top, they're designed for maximum comfort and performance. With a top speed of 12 miles per hour, Orbit Wheels are perfect for getting around town in style. Priced at $329, they're a fun and practical travel method. Hickeys. Say goodbye to untied laces with Hickeys, the magical elastics that turn any shoe into a slip-on. Made from durable silicone, these innovative laces stretch to fit any shoe size and lock in place for a secure fit. Available in various colors, they're a stylish and functional alternative to traditional laces. Plus, with a lifespan equal to regular laces, they're a long-lasting solution for busy lifestyle. Priced at $18, they're a small investment for added convenience. Mojipick. Express yourself on the go with Mojipick, the world's first voice-controlled emoji display for cars. Featuring a customizable LED display, this innovative device lets you share messages, emojis, and animations with other drivers in real time. Simply attach Mojipick to your car window and use the companion app to control the display with your voice. Whether sharing a funny message or promoting your favorite cause, Mojipick lets you express yourself in style. Priced at $53, it's a fun and creative way to personalize your ride. SwitchMate. Upgrade your home with SwitchMate, the smart switch that adds convenience and control to your lighting. Easy to install with no wiring or screws required, SwitchMate attaches to any standard switch in seconds, allowing you to control your lights from anywhere with your smartphone. With a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 12 months, it's a hassle-free solution for modern living. Priced at $40, it's a simple and affordable way to bring innovative technology into your home. VentiFresh. Eliminate odors with VentiFresh, the high-tech air freshener that uses platinum dioxide technology to neutralize unpleasant smells. Simply plug VentiFresh into a power source and let it work its magic, removing odors from the air without needing chemicals or refill. With immediate results and long-lasting effectiveness, it's the perfect solution for eliminating odors in any space. Priced at $62, it's a small price for fresh, clean air. CI AI Personal Trainer. Meet ZEIF, your trainer who is living in biosensing earphones. This advanced AI system learns and adapts to your lifestyle and fitness goals, providing personalized guidance every step of the way. Controlled via voice commands, VI can adjust parameters like weight and speed during workouts, ensuring optimal performance and results. Additionally, VI can play your favorite music and even handle calls without interrupting your training. Supported by a dedicated app, VI keeps track of your progress and achievements, offering a seamless training experience. Priced at $200, it's a game changer for fitness enthusiasts. Sensory Percussion. Unleash your creativity with Sensory Percussion, a revolutionary sensor that transforms drum sounds into electronic compositions, compatible with drum sets of all kinds. This sensor attaches to the drum's edge and precisely captures each sound. Using the accompanying app, users can easily assign specific sounds to different parts of the drum membrane, creating custom compositions. Priced at $800, it's the ultimate tool for drummers and musicians alike. Horizon Virtual Reality Glasses. Step into a new dimension with Horizon, a cutting-edge virtual reality glasses that turn any image into a 3D model. Featuring special lenses, mirrors, and a combined glass screen, Horizon offers an immersive experience like no other. It is compatible with Android and iOS phones and is perfect for gaming, learning, and exploration. Priced at $29, it's an affordable gateway to the virtual reality world. Meiosis Backpack. Experience innovation with Meiosis, an ultra-modern backpack designed for versatility and durability. Made of elastic materials and geometric figures, this backpack maintains its shape, whether full or empty, providing flexibility and stability in any situation. While still in development, Meiosis promises to revolutionize the concept of backpacks with its unique design and features. M-Robot. Explore new horizons with the M-Robot, a versatile and adaptable companion for recording, research, and leisure. Available in 4 models: city, water, underwater, and off-road. This small robot can easily tackle any environment. Its modular design and intuitive controls make it perfect for users of all ages and interests. Priced at $28 and up, it's an affordable way to experience the future of robotics. Field Kit. Unleash your creativity with the Field Kit, an innovative instrument for experimenting with electroacoustic sounds. Developed in Germany, this compact panel allows users to record and transform sounds from various sources, opening up a world of sonic possibilities. Its modular design and intuitive interface make it perfect for musicians, sound artists, and experimenters alike. Priced at $56, it's a must-have tool for any audio enthusiast. Maker Arm. Get hands-on with Maker Arm, the world's first robotic hand capable of performing various tasks. From 3D printing to laser engraving, Maker Arm can do everything precisely and accurately. Its compact size and intuitive controls make it perfect for makers, designers, and creators of all kinds. Priced at $1,000, It's an investment in limitless creativity and innovation. Nemo Underwater Drone. Dive into the depths with Nemo, a high-tech underwater drone capable of capturing stunning images and videos. Designed to withstand the rigors of underwater exploration, Nemo is perfect for hobbyists, researchers, and filmmakers alike. Its intuitive controls and long battery life make it the ultimate tool for underwater adventure. Priced at $775, it's a must-have for anyone passionate about the ocean. Pins Collective. Express yourself with Pins Collective, a digital pin that lets you easily display custom images and animations. Pins Collective is controlled via a smartphone app, allowing users to create and share their designs, adding a personal touch to any outfit or accessory. Its compact size and versatile design make it perfect for fashionistas, tech enthusiasts, and anyone looking to stand out from the crowd. Priced at $50, it's a stylish and innovative accessory for the digital age. Cubo One Robot. Discover the future of robotics with Cubo One, an interactive robot designed for learning and exploration. With its simple programming language and interactive features, Cubo One makes robotics accessible to users of all ages and skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious beginner, Cubo One offers endless possibilities for creativity and learning. Priced at $250, it's an investment in the future of technology and education. And that's a wrap on today's journey through innovation. Which of these futuristic gadgets caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Wizard to stay updated with the latest tech and innovation. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the future.